So have you heard of Microsoft Fabric? This is a service which is kind of a wrapper service. It has Power BI, Data Factory, Azure Data Factory, Azure Synapse. So this is all Azure based, and then it has a range of products and experience. So they have, I mean, you may ask, can I not use Power BI in isolation? You can. Can I not use Data Factory in isolation? You can. But client is sorry, Azure is packaging Fabric as a one-stop product. Like you purchase it, you get a full suite to do data analytics, to do data transformation, data integration, real-time intelligence, and then perform data science activities on top of your Synapse database. So why do you think Microsoft has done it? They are saying that we want to give you a single experience. We don't want you to buy Power BI and take that experience and then go to Data Factory and then take that experience, and it is not unified. So you might come and say like, hey, I like Power BI, but I don't like Data Factory. Probably I can write my own um, PySpark scripts or Python scripts, and it performs just well. Why should I use Data Factory? So, so one reason is Azure or Microsoft wants you to take a range of products packaged under one umbrella, and so that even if you don't like one over the other, you are locked. You've got to use it. And one more thing is uh, your governance and security, like what comes in, what goes out, it's all controlled and audited, and it, it only happens if uh, you provide access, otherwise it won't happen. And plus Microsoft is marketing it such that they say, hey, you got AI built in, it is powered by AI, so you can create impactful reports faster, and you can plug your Copilot on Fabric and then do some more analysis, create reports, and then you also have these features to build your custom AI models that is also available. And your analytics, you can also use Tableau on top of it, or OPI, MicroStrategy, Cognos, and anything, and it is still supported. So this helps you with accelerated modernization. So now using that Avanade, which is a joint venture between Microsoft and Accenture. So they have launched this a cool product which you can do movement from Tableau to Power BI. They have ready-made accelerators to do that. And if you are on MicroStrategy, they can do MicroStrategy to Power BI, or OBI to Power BI migration, or Cognos to Power BI. You can do all of these. So there is a cool product they have created to provide a level of automation, and they are also trying to get patents on that. This is in progress. So who can try this out? Who can try this out today? Today only it is in the preview modes. Only clients who have this preview access, they can try it out. Okay, so if we are using this, how does my life change? Your life changes in this manner. If you are taking 100 days, for example, just a random figure, if you are taking 100 days to do a movement from Tableau to Power BI, now using this product, it would save you 25%. That means you can now do it in 75 days. Okay, you can, instead of 100, you can do this in 75 days. So what is the productivity gain? 25%. So in the assets and automation world, whenever we develop these assets and automation tools, we quantify and say, if you use this, you will gain this. Why we do this quantification? Because there would be a charge to use this product, and if somebody is buying this and paying this charge, won't they expect Savings? Yes, that is common sense. They would expect savings. It is just like you buy an electric car. So what would you expect? You would expect that your monthly uh, petrol or diesel expenses goes down significantly. That is the reason you are paying higher prices for an electric car. Okay, so we just had a look at Microsoft Fabric and new tool from Avanade to migrate reports to Power BI, and that is a trend we are seeing in the market. A lot of people are moving to Power BI because Power BI is offering reporting at really cheap rates. But then there is a caveat. So I'm already engaged with 3 clients where Azure is saying that I would give you Power BI almost free of cost, but you got to sign up for buying uh, this Fabric solution. So there is a good blog. It is a 10 minutes read by Arun. He's a corporate vice president for Azure Data. You can have this read. I'll paste this link. So it explains you how this works, what are the additional features. There is a video also attached, and it is a complete data analytics ecosystem that you can build using this. Okay. So become a subscriber, subscribe to this channel, become a member, Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja member. For very small premium, you can get access to so many important information, certification questions. You can practice them as much as you can.